survived the night. We are alive. It is the following day. Welcome. But look at the view we have. The ocean. We can see those waves out there. Big, big waves. Got to hear the rumble of them all night long. It was just incredible. We did get our fire finally blazing. It took only like 4 hours to get the wet wood burning.
We burned it all.
Yeah, it's all gone.
Every bit of it.
Yeah, because there was no way we were going to get that started this morning. And my little hammock thing worked very, very well. Kept me off the ground. I actually had a little gear sling where I could lean over and grab my little water tube, wherever that is. So I can take a little drink in the middle of the night. It kept me quite warm. Brian had a nice tent. Condominium tent. Kept him nice and toasty.
Exactly. Kept the dew off of our gear.
Yeah.
Made for a little extra niceness.
Yeah, nice little storage area there was quite handy. So we're probably going to take a little hike out to the beach for a little bit, check out the nice waves, and
Good.
hell yeah, and we'll check back with you in a little bit. Woo!
Yeah.
All right, well, we're packing up. Gonna go for a little hike on the beach, do a little drone flying, see what this place looks like. It's really beautiful up the coast. You can't see it yet, but once we get the camera up there, you'll be able to see the nice, pretty coastline here. Hammock's all broken down. Brian's got his tent all broken down. Loosely packing up the bikes. Bikes are serving us very well to get to these locations. Night was beautiful. People even came and complimented on my hammock. It's kind of funny. Oh, my hand's covering it up. All right, well, we'll see you guys at the beach. Actually, I don't know if I'll be able to film from there because the drone will be out. Anyway, we'll see what happens. All right, well, we went out to the beach. It's a little too windy for the Spark, so I'm a little concerned about flying that. And there's really no beach at all. A wave just came up maybe to there. Right around here we had to kind of scurry up the hill to get away from it. So I don't want to get stuck down there. Then we'll get real wet or real stuck. But early morning or when the tide's low, you can go quite a ways around that corner. And then here, look at this coastline just peeling up to the north. It goes pretty far. I mean, as far as it curves. Wow, just pretty here. I see a nice big old cliff behind us. Holy crap, look at the size of these waves. we should probably go this way. It's gonna get wet here, I think. Yeah, that's gonna get us wet. Is it? Oh, shit. Ah! That was closer. Dang. Oh, look at all the tar. Naturally seeped tar that comes up, gets on your toes, makes a mess. But it's not from an oil spill. It's from natural seepage of oil from the bottom of the ocean. That's why there's big what do you call, oil rigs out there, I think they're called. Out there, there's peppered on the horizon. You can see them late at night, little lights on the horizon. But check out all the shale, just crumbly material. But a really cool stay here at Jalama Beach. All right, thanks for watching. We got the camera now working. It totally died when I was riding here. Now the camera should be full, so when we ride back up the cool road, I should have the camera on for a lot longer. So hopefully be able to enjoy the ride. All right, see you guys later. We're all packed up. We're all packed up. Campsite is vacant. Did a little bit of drone flying. Hope we got to see that. A little concerned about how strong the wind was, but we pulled it off. The bikes are ready to go. We're gonna go have the Jalama burger. Everybody keeps saying, you gotta have a Jalama burger. You gotta have a Jalama burger. So we're gonna go check that out and then head back home and call this trip a done one and get ready for the next month's trip. Yeah. And we're talking a lot about Yosemite last night, man. I gotta go. We gotta see Yosemite. This guy's been there oodles of times. But we'll see what this burger's all about. Show you what that looks like. All right, here is the Jalama burger. Looks pretty Jalama-licious. See how it tastes. That's pretty good. Toasted bones have a nice flavor. All right, I'll let you know how it is at the end. Nice view too, yeah. And about there. All right, well that Jalama burger was Jalama-licious. It was good. Definitely filled me up. All right, we're gonna get out of here. Bikes are all packed. Let's give one last little look of the scene here. You see, it's a very picturesque place. I'll give you guys a look. I'll turn the camera around, give you a better view. Don't get caught in the rip current. Pick up your dog poop. There's rattlesnakes out here. Just ready. I say beautiful and pretty. All right, that's the beach. Let's head back home. Put this adventure in the bag. All right, well, thanks for coming to our wonderful adventure to Jalama Beach. It ain't over yet. We're still gonna ride back. You get to ride with us. But hey, if you're ever down here, get a Jalama burger. You're gonna like it. All right, at the wonderful Jalama Beach store. Right there. Jalama Beach store. All right, guys. See you later.